say goodbye to wrinkles and sagging facial skin after washing it with coconut oil and baking soda. This powerful combo is very useful in reducing wrinkles and for getting deep into your skin pores. So we can easily say that it's very useful and beneficial in preventing acne and blackheads. When these two powerful ingredients are mixed, they work very good in treating acne, redness, scars and removing excess dirt from your skin pores. And they also remove all the dead skin cells off the surface of your skin. Just try this combo and you will be amazed by the results. People use this extremely useful ingredient for everything, for making homemade baked goods as a polishing agent, deodorizing agent and for cleaning purposes. The name of this remarkable ingredient is sodium bicarbonate, or also known as baking soda. Baking soda is the perfect alternative for many harsh and toxic cleaning products, and the best of all is that baking soda always provides excellent results. People also use this amazing ingredient to make homemade cosmetic and beauty products, teeth whitener, all natural deodorant, etc. And as we mentioned before, this ingredient is also very effective and beneficial in treating acne. The most common reason for skin breakouts and acne appearance is the pH imbalance. So you can use baking soda to restore the pH balance and to prevent skin problems like acne. Let me just say a few words about coconut oil, and then we are going to show you how to combine these two ingredients and make the most powerful deep cleanser. Coconut oil is super healthy ingredients. It has antibacterial, healing and moisturizing properties which are very beneficial for nourishing and soothing your skin. Here's how to make the most powerful deep cleanser. Just follow the simple instructions. Baking soda and coconut oil deep cleanser. Ingredients: 2 teaspoons of organic extra virgin coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of aluminum-free baking soda. Directions. Here's what you need to do. All you have to do is mix all the ingredients in a small bowl. And always make enough just for one treatment. Mix the ingredients until you get a thick paste and apply it on your face using circular motions. Then you should leave it on for 5 minutes and rinse it off with warm water. And again massage your facial skin with circular motions. Dry your face with a clean towel, and you don't need to apply any skin moisturizer because the coconut oil will hydrate your skin. You will be amazed by the results. Your skin will be smooth and soft. As you can see, this homemade deep cleanser is very simple and easy to make, and all you need is 2 ingredients, which you probably already have in your kitchen cabinet. Try it and share your opinion in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share with your friends and family.
This face mask magically removes stains, acne, scars and wrinkles after second use. The skin protects you from the elements and keeps you together literally. So, you have to do your best to protect it from any damage. The teenage period can leave acne on your face, and with time your skin can be damaged by stains and wrinkles. Use these amazing face masks if you have problematic skin, stains, spots, or skin full of wrinkles. These masks will do wonders for you. Honey, nutmeg and cinnamon pack. Cinnamon can reduce the risk of diseases caused by bacteria, due to the properties it possesses: antifungal, antiviral, and antimicrobial. Nutmeg can help your acne disappear, and it is an anti-inflammatory. Honey helps disinfect and speed the healing process of acne, and it is an antibacterial agent. Lemon will aid in lightening blemishes or any scars. For this mask, you need 1 teaspoon honey, 1 teaspoon fresh lemon juice, ½ teaspoon cinnamon and ½ teaspoon nutmeg. Mix the ingredients all together and make a paste. Omit the lemon if you have sensitive skin. Apply the paste on the face, but be careful and try to avoid the eye area and mouth. Let it stand for 30 minutes, or if you can't stand the burning sensation, let it stand at least 10 minutes. Then, flush your face with warm water and apply the usual cream you use. Aloe vera and turmeric pack. This combination is a great source of enzymes, nutrients, and polysaccharide which remove the toxins in the skin and balances the natural moisture skin level. Mix 1 teaspoon aloe vera pulp and fresh turmeric and make a paste. Apply the paste on the pimple marks. Let it stand for 20 minutes, then wash it off. Milk and honey face mask. Milk can improve the outbreaks and skin tone. It soothes the irritated skin and helps tone down the redness. You will need 1 tablespoon milk or yogurt thoroughly with 1 tablespoon honey. Apply the paste and let it stand for 10 to 15 minutes. Wash it off. Avocado and banana face mask. The avocado and the banana have a lot of vitamins and minerals which help in regenerating the skin, making it soft and whitening it efficiently. Chop the avocado and the banana and put them in a blender. You can mix them with pure honey or olive oil. First, wash your face and then apply the mixture on the skin. Let it stand for 20 to 30 minutes and then rinse it off with warm water. This mask can help you to moisturize the skin gently and is very effective in fading the acne scars. Papaya Honey Face Mask. Papaya is an anti-aging and firming fruit which can help in removing the deep wrinkles and dark skin. Papaya contains papain, an enzyme which helps prevent the pus from forming and reduces inflammation. Make a hydrating skincare facial mask by mixing mashed papaya with honey. Apply it on your face and neck and let it stand for 10 minutes. This mask makes the skin smooth, tight and firm and exfoliates damaged and dead skin cells. These masks are the perfect solution if you don't have time to escape to a spa for relaxation. Even better, they are all made from non-toxic ingredients which reduce blemishes, protect the skin from sunburn and help in promoting elasticity. Also, they hydrate the skin.